What's up, guys? Last video I was talking about what 2018 means to you personally. In this video, I'm going to talk about what 2018 means to everybody and what you need to do. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so remember I was talking about numerology and how to find your personal year and to figure out your personal year and what you probably need to focus on. Now I'm going to talk about the universal year 11. 2018 is a universal year 11. And what that means is it's a year of manifesting for everybody. Everybody's going to have the ability to get what they want this year. Everybody's going to have their ability to make your wish come true. When you wish upon a star. All right, but I'm saying this is that you're going to be able to manifest what you want. But here's the catch. On a universal 11 year, which is a prime number, which doesn't happen a lot. On a universal 11 year, the year of manifesting, the year of making your wish come true, the only way you're going to be able to do it is if you do it with somebody else. Any other year you can manifest on your own. You can pretty much any year you can manifest on your own. But you're gonna get the best results. You're gonna get the most powerful results if you can find people, maybe even just one other person or a group of people that are like-minded, that want the same thing as you. If you join with these people this year, you're gonna be able to manifest very powerful things. Think of it like sex. You can masturbate and it feels really good. But it's more fun to have sex with another person. And sometimes orgies are even more fun, but that's another topic. What I'm saying is you don't want to waste this year's energy on trying to manifest things by yourself. So let's say you are an artist, you like to paint, or you are a singer, you like to sing, or you're a writer. This is the year to share your work with somebody else and get their opinion and say, hey, what do you think about this? You're going to get more products. You're going to get more feedback from people this year that's going to add to your world and be able to help you manifest the things that you want. Even on a spiritual level, if you pray with somebody else, if you meditate with somebody else, if you do a spiritual ritual with somebody else, you're going to get faster and bigger results. If you ask questions and try to learn during this year and also try to find mentors and people of like mind, not really mentors, but people of the like mind that will help encourage you and strengthen you and teach you how to do whatever you want to do, you're going to find those people today. You're going to find not just today, but this year, you're going to find a group of people with the same things in mind. So you're going to lose some friends, or you're going to change some friends. You're going to move some things around, okay? And a lot of people are going to be moving around from different groups because the 11 year is about wishes, but it's also about groups. It's about social people. It's about social clubs. So use the energy that's going to be jumping around everywhere this year, okay? Also, here's a warning. I'm gonna give you this warning real quick about the 11 year. Because it's such a powerful time for manifesting, you really have to watch how you think. You have to watch what you say to other people, and you have to watch the energy that you're getting from other people. If you find that you're getting negative energy from certain groups of people, leave those people alone, because that same energy that can manifest good things can manifest bad things. So if you're hanging around a group of people and all they do is talk down to you and all they do is make you feel low, you need to cut them off. Cut them off. This is time out to be somebody's dead weight, okay? If you find that you have a lot of frenemies, time out. Get rid of them. This is not the year for frenemies. You need to find real friends this year, okay? So 2018 is a year of manifesting, but only with people of a like mind. The media, if they're trying to control how you think, trying to control a group of people or how they think, watch that, because that can really manifest some negative things. So like I said, I'm black, or the LGBT community, or any other little group that you might be a part of, maybe ASPCA or whatever social political group that you might be in, Democrats or Republicans, there's going to be a lot of energy trying to control certain groups. So you have to watch where your energy is going when it comes to maybe your social groups, your political groups, your religious affiliations. Watch where your energy goes, because there are going to be certain people that know this energy that's going on this year, and they are going to try to manipulate the energy of a group and direct that energy somewhere else. So watch where you put your energy when it pertains to groups. That's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, or if you have any comments, or if you know what I'm talking about, leave me a comment below and make something happen this year, because if you don't do it, then who will? Talk to you guys later. Peace out.